In this video, I'll show you a few settings you can try to improve download speeds in Google Chrome. Keep in mind that your actual download speed mainly depends on your internet connection and the server you're downloading from, but these changes may help Chrome perform more efficiently. First, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, then choose Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Click Security, then scroll down until you find the Use Secure DNS option. Make sure Secure DNS is enabled. Select the option to choose a custom provider, then choose Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 from the list. This may help websites and download servers load more quickly by improving how Chrome resolves web addresses. Next, click the address bar and type Chrome://flags. Press Enter to open Chrome's experimental settings. Use the search box at the top and search for parallel downloading. Open the drop-down menu next to it and change the setting from default to enabled. Parallel downloading allows Chrome to divide supported downloads into multiple parts, which can sometimes improve download performance. Click Relaunch at the bottom of the page to restart Chrome and apply the change. If your downloads are still slow, one of your browser extensions may be interfering. Click the three-dot menu again, select Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Temporarily turn off your extensions, especially VPNs, download managers, security tools, and ad blockers. After that, try downloading the file again to see whether the speed improves. You can then turn your extensions back on one at a time to identify which one may be causing the problem. And that's how you can optimize Google Chrome and potentially speed up your file downloads. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tips and tutorials.